Hey guys, Patti Allred here. Hey, are you one of the hundreds that are asking, what do I really need to make money online? Well, if you are, hang on. I got a couple of answers for you here. But what I want you to do now is just go down to the bottom, hit subscribe. That way you will be able to hear the information that I'm going to be giving, because I'm going to be coming on here with several ways that you can make money online, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you'll be notified whenever I put new information up. And I wanted to share with you several ways that I have recently found, and some that have been around for a long time, of legit ways that you can make money online. So hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it, please. Most people think that they don't have what it takes to make money online or make money from home, and that's just not true. It's not true at all, because I do, and if I can do it, you can do it. What do you need? Well, you need a smartphone and internet access. And when I say internet access, that means that if you don't have it at your house, drive to a place, a coffee shop or a restaurant or something that has it, sit in your car, connect to their internet access, do what you need to do until you can get internet piped into your house. As simple as that. A lot of people are doing that, and it's working. I mean, it depends on how bad you want it, guys. Let's see. Yeah, internet access, smartphone, computer, tablet, laptop, whatever you have. And the main ingredient, though, is a right program for you. Yeah, there are lots of programs out there, and no, they're not all for everybody. And some that I like, you may not like, and vice versa. Of course, one of the biggest ones out there is MLM, network marketing, and that's really going big now with a lot of people, because we can't get out and go shopping. So I actually am with one that I'm not promoting it right now, but hey, if you are looking for MLM, I got you. We're in health and wellness, and I'm so thankful, because the things have been helping me and my family stay well. But you have what it takes if you have desire, and if you have consistency, and you have your smartphone, internet access, and a system that works for you. And I've got several systems that I'm going to be going over in the next couple of days, or a few days, showing you. I don't want to throw them all out at one time, because I want you to just take a few seconds or few minutes and go and look at them and see if it's something that you feel like you want to do. If it is, I'm here for you. Let me know. I'll be glad to help you. And if it's not, move on with something else, because there is something out there that you will like doing. And hey, if you don't like doing it, don't do it. There's too much of that around. Let's see. You can be on your way to creating an income from home tonight. Yep, you can. So my next several videos are going to be showing you some of those proven systems that I was talking about, and how anybody can make money online. So again, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell below, so you'll get notified when I come back, because I'm going to be putting the new information in here, and I have some sweet systems that I'm so excited to be sharing with you. I'll be looking for 2 to 3 videos a week. I'm going to be putting them out, and we'll go from there. But guys, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you find the right system for you. And let's do this thing. But hit subscribe below. Thank you. Stay well, stay safe, and wash your hands. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Patti Allred. Till the next video, you guys have a great day.